I'm gonna be hearing this. How do I get this working? I have to use Discord for that, but like, how do I make it capture my card? Because capture specific window. Go here. It's set to Java W. .exe Minecraft, so it should be working, but it's not. I can capture my launcher, but not the game. Mute this music. Hold on. Where's my cursor? Where did my cursor? Using sounds. Where is my cursor? Would help if I could see it. Okay. There's the cursor again. Alright. Capture audio. If you're having issues capturing Minecraft audio, check our troubleshooting guide. Oh, that's helpful. Open file location. Copy as path. Graphic. Okay. Somebody type something in chat, but chat is broken for me. How do I fix it? So my chat window is just gone. That is. Wait, why is it working all of a sudden? Alright. I'll transfer over. I gotta have a background. A black background. Blackground? Alright. Took longer than it should have to get that working. And here we are. Ignore the roof. I told them to cover it completely if you have to do this. And they didn't. And also you can't use the Pro Tools to cover this. Would love to, but no. I tried and I couldn't get it working. How do I make so I can see chat? I only have one display for this computer at the moment. Which means I'll just pull the stream up on my iPad. It should be fine. I'm not logged in, never mind.
How do you move the carpenter?
It's set carpenter location.
Okay. A command?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Still can't view the chat. This is actually kind of difficult. How do I fix this? I fixed it. Oh, I found my chat in OBS. I accidentally closed the window. That would make a lot of sense. Alright, now I can do this. Wait, where's Minecraft? Okay. Well, I mean, if one of my builders get on, I'll just make them build that up themselves. But I have to do team selection. And this is one thing I started working on yesterday. Also, look at this map. Here's our parking lot, which you can hop in here. This is where you'll spawn, actually. So here's this sign to the road. I'm going to make them do this whole area outside here, like make a surrounding scenery instead of just being in the middle of a floating island. Yeah, here's where you'll select your team when I actually make that. But yeah, here is a soda machine. It's broken. Dining areas, of course. This is only accessible by our builders and managers, but yeah, this turns on and off the lights. That is if I didn't have Fulbright enabled. Here's ice cream machine, I think. Oh yeah, McFlurry machine. Uh, also broken. There's a freezer, a refrigerator, and your fryers. I'll have to do something about this because I want 4 working fryers, but we only have 2. Here's our, what are these called? These are our grills. Okay. Uh, what am I doing? I tapped out of Minecraft. Okay. Yeah, so these I can have space for 4, but I might want to make these smaller and spread out so you can actually read information. And then you got your sinks over here. One of them's full, one of them's not. And you got your curry corner. Ignore that. This is definitely not one of the things I did when we were building this yesterday. Yeah. Pretty much all there is to it, actually. Though this looks really good, besides the roof. That's my only complaint. Actually, I will fix the roof situation. Don't have mouse tweaks. Actually. I'll leave it like that. But one thing I will do now is turn this in. What is this? Alright, well, what is valid? What do you mean, and this site is not valid? Site. Something I can just do is just go here into Pro Tools and do this. However, when I put it in, it removes it from my inventory. But I can always just go grab more. Ta-da! Cleaned up the roof. And as for the lighting, oh, what are they? I'll change some of these. And these will be always on.
Why are you changing it?
Because the roof looks terrible.
Okay. Swap the menu text for. You remove the sign in the middle that tells you that both the machines are broken.
How about you stop complaining? I'm doing this more or less of what I want to. I have kept things that you guys have made, but there's certain things that I want a different way. Huh, okay, so they don't have replace. Oh. Redstone lamp. I am like genuinely annoyed. So redstone underscore lamp, and it always has been. But we're gonna try this. Nothing to change. So block IDs do work. It's more like it. Are these different or are these the same? Those are the same. Okay, yeah, that's kind of hard to ID. I'm going to go shut my door. Okay. Hopefully that will reduce background noise. Honestly, I just need to get used to streaming. That's all. Oh my gosh, my ears. I don't have background music system. Maybe I should just re-enable Notebook. And that can be our background music. I'll remove all those. Maybe the mixer and soda machines can be introduced in future updates. I'll figure out what this is. This I'll tell you, because I know what this should be. But I'll just leave it like that. As for this fryer, maybe we could just do 3. That and 3 of this. Oh yeah, lights in here, I just realized. Oh. Some of you guys may be asking me to clean out my inventory, but I will in a little bit. Now, why can I not place these? Oh, it's because I'm playing on 1.8. I think one of my friends who are playing must have been on the latest version. So let's see. Looking at this. Now this is completely unnecessary. Oops. I wish I could just slot them in between, but this is like locked on a grid, so it's kind of difficult to center it, so I will not worry about that. Good. Gotta make it bold. Let's be okay, and then there. Okay, well, I moved the fryer. How am I supposed to? Make it so I can fit 3. Like that. And then all we need is a vertical slab. Which, too bad, Minecraft has never introduced. But instead, I'll just do this. Where's the debug stick when you need one? I guess we could just stick doing that for now. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And then... Good. And nobody can even stand on that, so that's actually really good. Oh. That's not gonna work for me. Alright, do that. By the way, I made this menu. So yeah, you can go down here to items, and these do work. So if I wanted to, I can give myself any of these, and this is useful for making code as well. Oh, my hand's so itchy. Yeah, how do I just disable that so you can stop complaining? Anyways, so looking at this, so these do all have uses, and as we work on the code, you will see how it works. But yeah, look at that. So first of all, we need to code something to start off with. So for team selection, this is where we're starting. Well, good sir. I do already have a UI for this. It's empty, but it's why we have these glass panes. We are going to do menus. If I can spell that correctly. Go here to right-click, reform. Oh, actually, I want to rename those. So actually, if I do items, or item, and do %F, it will automatically rename it to be nothing. And if I do this with everything else, and I know there's mods to do this better and faster, but to be honest, I don't have anything installed and I don't really want to run for, so. Now if we go back to the menus here, we can go back to that menu and do this again. Ta-da, there you go. Actually, what we are going to do is we're actually just going to do it like this. Alright. Now I'll just slash clear my inventory, right? That doesn't work. Hypixel, why do you have to do this? Probably because there used to be slash clear in here. Da, 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 da. This is a temporary command before we actually get the game working. Oh, I can't see. Whatever, but ignore that. So yeah, we need player heads to represent the teams, but I'll just use the color pack. It's easier that way. And then we use slash item. And yeah, so this is the team system. Or no. That's good. And then we go here, making an empty line. Which means it will technically look like this, but another empty line. It's the wrong color. Luckily I can just add this until I find the right color. Sometimes I have to do this because 1, 2, 3, and 4 are hard for me to remember. Okay, it's not 1, it's not 2 or 3, it's 4 then. What? Oh. Yeah, it's 4. Yeah, there you go. And that's what it should look like. Well, mostly. Let's see. So yeah, members and orders fulfilled. So yeah, stat.global slash team1 underscore members. And this should work, not now, but in a little bit when I put it into the GUI. And we can do something similar, so stat.global slash team1 underscore orders. And so now if we could close out of this, this is what it should look like. disable this when I'm in another menu, it will show category names. Yeah. Okay. Click to do. Alright. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. As we do menus, go here, left click this so it doesn't clear from my inventory. But yeah, when we go to actually open up the GUI over here, notice it says 0 instead of the long random string, which is what I want it to do. And now I just need to replicate that here and here. If I remember correctly, purple is 5. Wait, I didn't bold it. Stat.global slash teams underscore members. And then we do orders fulfill. Global slash team2 underscore orders. Go here, create an empty line, and then do click to join team premise. Okay. Actually, what was this name? We had a whole discussion, but I deleted the group chat actually. So, it's McBurglar? That's Hamburglar. And actually, that's... There you go. There you go. Now then, edit lore. changing display team member. Now I am changing the title to this. But it's more like the others, which also means I do have to go into here. Change color to yellow. And these will be shown in their tab list as well. As you can see, I don't have my rank next to my name anymore. And here's the funny part. I haven't technically joined, but I need this to work, so. Yes. Team. No, menu. Wrong, I meant to say menus. Oops, that's the wrong one. Great, click to change. Alright. So now let's get to coding this. But first let's check. 0, 0, 0. So menus. You go here. Go left click to edit. Go here. So when you click this, first it needs to check if required team needs to be none. Team stat requirement. Oh yeah, you can do team stats. So actually that would be better. So I do need to change the items. I didn't know there was team stats. That changes things. Ow, ow. Brushing my hair with my fingers just hurt my side. Wait, what are we doing? Yeah, actually, I'm gonna go fix that now. Before I forget about that. Wait, how does this work? Yeah, I know. If we go down here to stats, so there's key and then team name. And I'm pretty sure it is case sensitive. So if we just do members and then do Ronald. That's because the team name is Ronald, not Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald's a little too long to fit inside team name. Or I mean, I think Hypixel might not let me, which is why I don't. But also, if they're all about the same size, it's better. Save us some global variables. And despite having housing plus, there's still limitations. Alright, I think I fixed it. So now we just need to go to menus. Go team selection, do this. Right click them so we don't erase any code. Just do that. And we go here, all of our code's still here, so now all we need to do is make it so that way. So change team staff. There's also set player team, which is what we'll be using, so we'll set them to Ronald. Go here to change team stat, members, increment to 1 for the team Ronald. So then, we also don't want to make them question if they did join, so we can send a chat message saying you have joined the team Ronald McDonald. And that's pretty much all it needs to do, because it increments the members count, which is good. It sets the player's team, and it sends a chat message. And then we can also say you're already in the team, which means no team swapping. None whatsoever. And then when you do that, we'll close the menu. So yeah, one conditional with one condition, 3 if actions, an else action, and a close menu. And that's all we need to do for the other two. So yeah, required to not be in a team in order to do team selection, which makes a lot of sense. So yeah, set players E goes set team stat. What was it? Oh yeah, I want to tell them. Join team request. And then we want to close the menu. And so since the amount of staff is 3, we will, our like housing staff, everybody is technically staff, but housing staff is what I'm specifically talking about. Since there's only 3 of us, you got the owner and 2 builders. We each decided to pick a row, although technically I got first picks, and then one of the builders and then the other builder just got whatever we didn't pick. Actually, I don't think he knows. I will get him in. I'll go get one of them into the call. The other one I tried to get on, but they were busy. Alright, I'm asking them to get on now, so... Wait, nope. No, don't back out. They say they are going to join. Oh, and now he's talking to me about cheeseburgers. We're doing this over text. He probably doesn't have Discord open. And if you're wondering who this person is, Tycho. And then you got Alta. Snapping menu. Hello.
Jump scare.
Alright. So, I'm going to test this. You have joined Team Ronald McDonald. Now if I hover over it, it says 1 and I can't join any other teams. But I am really in Ronald. Alright, so you want to hop on and select your team. I already asked our other builder. I'm going to have to ask her if I can say her real name on stream. But, oh wait, hold on, sorry, it's completely private.
I have to see. I don't see it.
You don't see it?
I'm getting rickrolled.
Yeah, it's playing the rickroll. Don't mind it. Oh, there you are. Yeah, so select Team No. Wait, what did our other builder say she wanted to be? She wanted to be the Hamburglar, so you're Grimace.
Okay, good, because that's what I wanted.
Oh, nice! We all got what we wanted. Sweet. So, something I told her that I didn't tell you is I want a surrounding scenery instead of just being in the middle of nowhere. So we want like a road to pass by, some hills, maybe buildings against the border, stuff like that. And so you guys can work on that while I'm building all the code. And testing it. -3 Team Ronald McDonald. It's just because they're on there. What are you doing? Oh,
in there.
Turn. Ah, yeah. Alright, I'll just leave you be.
Wait, that doesn't make sense.
By the way, you want to know how I'm getting my audio on stream?
Through Discord so they can hear me.
Yeah, I don't have my microphone working on my computer. Because technically, the microphone right here that I'm tapping right now, there's no tapping noise. Why? Because that isn't even the microphone. It's plugged into the computer, but I can't even use it. And I do have an adapter, but the adapter doesn't work. It just makes static noise. And no matter how loud I talk into the microphone, you don't hear a thing. Bless you. I heard you in the other room. I just got off studio mode. Oh, I just gotta lean back for a minute here. I was leaning forward for like an hour straight. Ugh. Alright. Get back to work.
Me just jump. Just like
I
jump
did
to the door
remodel
and
the
make
kitchen
the
slightly.
That's fine. I'm so scared.
But I did it so that way we can have 3 fryers and 3 grills.
That makes sense, I guess.
Since we only had 2 each. And now to explain what this is. Get my cup out of the way so I can see my bottom right corner of the screen, because I will need to see that. But anyways, these are going to be... So these are going to be grill and fryer. So this is going to remain here. And why? Because it's not talking about those kind of color codes. It's talking about what it means generally, which means, yeah, it can be different colors. Like, for example, I also got this.
Okay, can you can you fix the side so it doesn't say McDonald's Simulator? It says McDonald's Simulator.
Well, the housing is named McDonald's Simulator. It's just the only people who can see it is people who are in newer versions of the game.
So
It's because it's a scoreboard limitation.
could you put on 2 separate lines?
No.
None.
I only have so many lines. And I need to put like stuff like money in there, so...
They've started the slate work on the wall, on the bridge. Oh yeah. Not a bridge, road.
I have to shift this hologram.
Don't want to build more scenery. I kind of just want this to be like floating.
I just accidentally on full screen.
I kind of want this to be a floating McDonald's island, or like the road broke off. Maybe there's like 2 other islands with just houses on it, but I don't know how to do like that. I don't know. I just don't.
Can't really hear you. I turned up your volume and you're like kind of cutting out a little bit.
Am I cutting out the world? Probably because you've been breaking my microphone. Like you're so bad at keeping care of these. I do mine for a few
I
days.
can hear myself better than you. And the reason why I'm hearing myself is because I need to hear myself for OBS to capture it. So I've been hearing myself for the past hour.
You absolutely poorly take care of these. You're breaking mine. Just because I gave it to you for a few days because you broke yours. Again.
Well, I mean, the reason my earbuds break is because they catch on things, and every time I've used your earbuds, I haven't had that issue, but probably because I avoid it. The reason why my earbuds died is because they got caught in a chair. Yes, all 4 colors that I'm going to use all mean out of order. Wait, actually, I can't use these colors specifically. I have a whole color codes thing on the side, so why don't I use it? Pretty sure the only yellow light color is 6. The reason why they have to be numbers is because these are the colors I can use when I use variables. That does let me send the square. Because when you use stats, I'm gonna do something like this. Apparently I'm not allowed to send that message. Hypixel! I'm using your placeholders! How is it advertising? I get it looks like that at least check if it's a valid placeholder and then you can ignore that section of text. And I say that section because technically people can abuse it to actually show addresses. So that's why I say portion. God, oh, it's on the desk. I use everything. Okay, I'll fix that. I'll fix it. Yes, I am using a piston. That's because I can't actually place a block there. That actually works. Players can't open and close these doors.
Hello, Cora. Do you hear me better?